Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Snapchat streak after 10 days. So guys, if you have lost your Snapchat streak and you want to get it back, here I will show you how can you restore it after 10 days. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store, and you have to search here for Snapchat. Here it is. And now you have to simply update your Snapchat to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this open your Snapchat, and then you have to simply go to your profile first. So guys, once you open your profile, after this tap on this settings button, and now you have to simply scroll it below all the way and tap on help center. And now you have to tap on I lost my streak. So guys, here you can see this, and now scroll it below and tap on this form. So guys, here you can see this, fill in this form. Simply tap on this, and after this you will see the appearance like this. So guys, here you have to scroll it below and give here your username. So guys, here you can see this, simply give here your username and then give your email address which is associated with your Snapchat account, and then give your phone number that is associated with your Snapchat account. So guys, do this, and after this you have to give here a friend's username for one time. So guys, simply give here any friend's username for one time, and after this you have to simply submit this request to the Snapchat team. So guys, here you can see this, once you submit this request, then the Snapchat team will look into this matter and they will review your request and they will restore your Snapchat streak within 10 days. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to recover your Snapchat streak within 10 days. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.